Hi guys. So I've made several posts about this in my communities tab here on YouTube. I was going to say Facebook. Here on YouTube, but not everybody follows my community posts. So I'm making a public announcement about it. As most of you know, myself as well as many other content creators have been targeted by these Telegram and WhatsApp scams. What they're doing is they're taking our pictures and creating fake YouTube pages under our names with subtle differences because YouTube doesn't allow two pages to have the same exact name. So, for instance, like with my name, instead of Olivia Alexa, they'll take my picture and create a new page under the name like Olivia Alexa, period, or Olivia dash Alexa. So, after they create this fake profile, they then come onto my page, the real authentic page, and then they start replying back to comments on my videos saying to hit them up on Telegram or WhatsApp or whatever so they can then con people out of their money. A lot of you guys are sending money to these profiles thinking that you're supporting me and my brand. YouTube is aware of the issue, but it's impossible to track down every single one of these profiles because as soon as one is taken down, 10 more pop up. So for the time being, if one of these fake accounts replies back to one of your comments, please just ignore it. I try to do a daily cleanse of these accounts by hiding them from my channel, but even that is damn near impossible to keep up with all of them. So, for the last time, I do not have a Telegram or a WhatsApp account. I never have, I never will. If the account does not have a verified check mark next to the name, it's not me. Please do not send any money to any account you think is mine. I will never, ever, ever ask any of my subs for money. Anything I have done or ever will do will always be transactional. For example, I have merch for sale. My book will soon be available for sale, etc. That's what I mean by transactional. I'll never ask you guys for money without giving you something in return. Look, I care so much about you guys, and I don't want anybody out there getting scammed because I've had it happen to me and I know how it feels. It's a horrible feeling. So if you have been scammed, please contact your bank as soon as possible. So with that being said, until the next video, I'll see you guys later.